Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tasks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to start a wire transfer with Wells Fargo in 2025. Whether you're sending money to family abroad, paying for international purchases, or handling business transactions, wire transfers are a secure and efficient option. With Wells Fargo's updated 2025 features, like enhanced biometric security and a sleeker mobile app, the process is more straightforward than ever. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Wells Fargo account set up and ready to go. You'll need to log in securely using the Wells Fargo website or their mobile app. In 2025, expect a quick biometric scan, fingerprint or facial recognition, to access your dashboard. Once you're in, head over to the Transfers section, which is prominently featured in the main menu for easy access. Next, select Wire Transfer from the options. You'll be prompted to enter the recipient's details. This includes their name, bank account number, routing number, and the bank's SWIFT code if it's an international transfer. Double-check everything here. Wells Fargo's 2025 system has smart alerts to catch potential errors, like mismatched account info. Now, input the amount you want to send and add any necessary notes or reference numbers. Remember, wire transfers can have fees, so review the estimated costs up front. For security, Wells Fargo requires a two-factor authentication step, which might include a one-time code sent to your phone. Once you've verified all the details, hit Confirm to finalize the transfer. It usually processes within 1 to 2 business days for domestic transfers and up to 5 for international ones. Pro tip: always use a secure Wi-Fi connection to protect your information and keep an eye on your account for confirmations. And that's it, you've successfully started a wire transfer with Wells Fargo in 2025. If you run into any issues, Wells Fargo's 24/7 chat support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more financial tips. See you next time.